Hello friends, welcome to my channel NEP with Madhav. Today we are going to discuss about the poem Go Lovely Rose written by Edmund Waller. This poem is included in our plus 3 second semester syllabus. Let's begin. Let's begin. Edmund Waller's poem Go Lovely Rose is a beautiful reflection on themes of beauty, youth, and the fleeting nature of life, written in the 17th century. This lyric poem employs the image of a rose to convey a message about the impermanence of beauty and the importance of appreciating it while it lasts. The poem is structured in 4 stanzas, each one contributing to a layered exploration of how beauty, like the rose, is both precious and fragile. Through its use of natural imagery, emotional appeal, and persuasive tone, the poem effectively communicates Waller's view on the transient nature of youth and beauty. କେମିତି ସେ ତାର ଟାଇମ୍ ଆଉ ତାକୁ ୱେଷ୍ଟ କରୁଛି ବୋଲିକି କବି କହୁଛନ୍. The poet compares the woman to the rose, saying that just like the rose is sweet and beautiful, so is she. Through this comparison, he emphasizes how lovely she seems to be, and he hopes that the woman will recognize her own beauty. Tell her that young and sons to have her grace aspired, that hearts thou sprung in deserts where no man abides, thou must have uncommanded died. तो इने हमर सन्स ର मीनिंग ହେଇଯିବ. सन्स मीनिंग कौन ना एभॉइड करबा जनकू कि कहा ग्रेस मीन ब्यूटी आउ हार्स्ट मीनिंग हाव हब दाओ मीनिंग होची हमर योर आउ स्प्रुंग ର मीनिंग होची हमर ग्रोन आउ कौन रहा एबाइड माने कोटी गोटे बास करवा लिव कहले हम आउ स्टे कहले भी हम आउ कौन अनकमेंडेड माने नॉट प्राइज्ड है. तो यार समारी को आम देखा. इन द सेकेंड स्टैंजा द पोएट आस्क्स द रोज टू टेल द यंग मैन दैट बाय हाइडिंग हर ब्यूटी शी इज डूइंग हरसेल्फ ए डिसर्विस. He uses the example of the rose to explain that if the flower had grown in a desert where no one could see it, it would have died without being admired or prized. This suggests that beauty, like the rose, loses its price if it is not seen or appreciated. The poet urging her not to keep her beauty hidden but to allow others to admire it. Next amara third stanza. Small is the worth of beauty from the light retired. Bid her come forth, suffer herself to be desired, and not blues so to be admired. ये आमर बीड माने होची ऑफर आ कौन रहा रिटायर्ड माने होची आमर हिडन ब्लूस माने फील साय रेस्पॉन्स टू एडमिरेशन आउ एडमायर्ड माने होची लुक्ड upon with affection. माने गोटे पुओटे जेतेबेले जने झियो को देखिदेव झियोटा जेतेबेले लाजै जिबा ताको आमर कहा जिबा ब्लूस हला बुझेला ठीक से. इन द थर्ड स्टैंजा द पोएट कंटिन्यूअस हिज प्ली stating that beauty that is kept hidden has little worth. He encourages the woman to come out into the open and let her beauty be admired. The poet advises her not to be shy or embarrassed about being desired, as her beauty is something to be celebrated and appreciated. The message here is that beauty should not be hidden, is same but should be allowed to shine in its fully glory. Then die that she, the common fate of all things rare, may read in thee how small a part of time they share, that are so wondrous, sweet and fair. Fate means destiny. In this final stanza, the poet tells the rose to die so that the woman can see the fate of all beautiful and rare things. The rose's death serves as a metaphor for the brevity of beauty. The poet reflects that beautiful things like the rose have only a short life. He suggests that the woman's beauty, just like the rose, will not last forever, and therefore she should not waste it. The poet reminds her that beauty is fleeting those who possesses it. It should make the most of it while they can. यार वर्ड मीनिंग जी का मुझे दे दूँ स्क्रीन रे तुम मैंने लिखी नवा ठीक है। Edmund Waller was a prominent English poet and politician, best known for his work earliest 17th century. He is often regarded as a significant figure in the development of English poetry. Much of Waller's poetry centers around themes of love, beauty, and the passage of time. His poems often fleeting nature of beauty and the transient qualities of human life. Go Lovely Rose is the most famous example of his approach to these themes. Poet Edmund Waller Go Lovely Rose poemରେ ଗୋଲାପକୁ ତାଙ୍କ ଲଭରଙ୍କୁ ପାଖକୁ ମେସେଜ ଦେବାକୁ ବାଧ୍ୟ କରିଛନ୍ତି। ସେ ଗୋଲାପକୁ କହିଛନ୍ତି ତୁମ ଲଭରକୁ ଯାଇ କହ ଯେ ସେ ତାର ସୌନ୍ଦର୍ଯ୍ୟକୁ ଉପଭୋଗ ନକରି ନିଜକୁ ଓ ନିଜ ସମୟକୁ ନଷ୍ଟ କରୁଛନ୍ତି। କବି ତାଙ୍କ ଲଭରକୁ ଗୋଲାପ ସହ ତୁଳନା କରିଛନ୍ତି। ସେ ଆଶା କରିଛନ୍ତି ତାଙ୍କ ଲଭର ନିଜ ସୌନ୍ଦର୍ଯ୍ୟକୁ ଚିହ୍ନି ପାରିବ। ସେକେଣ୍ଡ ଷ୍ଟାଞ୍ଜାରେ କବି ଗୋଲାପକୁ କହନ୍ତି ଯେ ତୁ ଯାଇ କହ ସେ ତାଙ୍କ ସୌନ୍ଦର୍ଯ୍ୟକୁ ଲୁଚାଇ ରଖି ନିଜର ହିଁ କ୍ଷତି କରୁଛନ୍ତି। ସେ ଉଦାହରଣ ସହ ବୁଝାଇଛନ୍ତି ଯେ ଯଦି ଗୋଟାଏ ଗୋଲାପ ମରୁଭୂମିରେ ଫୁଟିବ ତାକୁ କେହି ଦେଖି ଉପଭୋଗ କରିପାରିବେ ନାହିଁ ଓ ଶେଷରେ ଝାଉଁଳି ପଡ଼ିବ। ଲୋକଲୋଚନକୁ ଆସି ନପାରି ପ୍ରଶଂସିତ ହେବାରୁ ବଞ୍ଚିତ ହେବ। ଠିକ୍ ସେହିପରି ତୁମେ ମଧ୍ୟ ଦିନେ ପ୍ରଶଂସାର ପାତ୍ର ହୋଇପାରିବ ନାହିଁ। କବି ତାଙ୍କ ଲଭରଙ୍କୁ ବ୍ୟୁଟିକୁ ଲୁଚାଇ ନ ରଖି ତାକୁ ଉପଭୋଗ କରିବାକୁ ପରାମର୍ଶ ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି। କବି କହନ୍ତି ତୁମେ ଯଦି ତୁମ ସୌନ୍ଦର୍ଯ୍ୟକୁ ଲୁଚାଇ ରଖିବ ତାହେଲେ ତାର କୌଣସି ମୂଲ୍ୟ ରହିବ ନାହିଁ। କବି ପରାମର୍ଶ ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ନିଜ ସୌନ୍ଦର୍ଯ୍ୟକୁ ଉପଭୋଗ କରିବାରେ ଲଜ୍ଜିତ ନ ହେବା ପାଇଁ। ଶେଷରେ କବି ଗୋଲାପର ମଉଳି ଯିବାକୁ କହିଛନ୍ତି। ସେ ଏହାଦ୍ୱାରା ବୁଝାଇବାକୁ ଚାହିଁଛନ୍ତି ଯେ ସୌନ୍ଦର୍ଯ୍ୟ ଚିରକାଳ ପାଇଁ ରହିନଥାଏ, ଦିନେ ନା ଦିନେ ସୌନ୍ଦର୍ଯ୍ୟହୀନ ହୋଇଯାଏ। ସୌନ୍ଦର୍ଯ୍ୟହୀନ ହେବା ପୂର୍ବରୁ ତାକୁ ଉପଭୋଗ କରିବାକୁ କବି କହିଛନ୍ତି। ଆଗକୁ +3 ସେକେଣ୍ଡ ସେମିଷ୍ଟାରର ଆହୁରି ଭିଡ଼ିଓ ଆସିବ, ତେଣୁ ଚ୍ୟାନେଲକୁ ସବସ୍କ୍ରାଇବ୍ କରିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ। ଭିଡ଼ିଓକୁ ଭଲ ଲାଗିଥିଲେ ଲାଇକ୍ କରିବେ, ସାଙ୍ଗମାନଙ୍କୁ ସେୟାର କରିବେ। ଠିକ୍ ଅଛି।